launch event in Shenzhen, China, Xiaomi has launched its flagship smartphone Mi 8. Along with that, the China-based manufacturer has also launched its next-generation fitness tracker Mi Band 3. The Mi Band 3 comes with a 0.78-inch OLED capacitive touchscreen. The company says that the display is designed with an aim to offer a better experience for viewing, rejecting calls and messages. Earlier, Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun had said that the wristband of Mi Band 3 has been redesigned to ensure that the tracker doesn't fall off from the strap, which a lot of users complained about for its predecessor. The device supports many new functions compared to the Mi Band 2. Along with the addition of viewing messages and call view reject feature, it can also provide weather forecast, as well as an alarm clock, which can be turned off from the touchscreen. Other features include heart rate monitor, daily steps count, and sedentary reminder as a part of the health management functions. The Mi Band 3 comes with water and dust resistance, and is completely waterproof for up to 50 meters, ensuring that it works perfectly even when the user is swimming. The company has also announced another variant of the fitness tracker, which comes with NFC support. Earlier, there were reports suggesting that the Mi Band 3 will come with support for a tilt-to-wake feature. However, it is not yet confirmed if the device indeed supports such functionality. One of the crucial things for a wearable device is the battery life. The Xiaomi newly launched Mi Band 3 comes with an improved battery, which the company claims can last for up to 20 days on a single charge. The Xiaomi Mi Band 3 has been priced at 169 yuan, which roughly converts to $26. The NFC variant of the fitness tracker, which is named Mi Band 3 NFC, is priced at 199 yuan, which is roughly $31. It will be available in 3 color options: black, red, and blue.